Welcome back, folks. In today's video, I'll be talking about the self-test from the same fractions and decimal workbook, and I'm on the page number 25 from the book. And this is the very first question. How many 2 and 1/4 inch piece of the brass rod can be cut from the brass bar that is 29.5 inch long, and disregard the waste from the cutting. So in this, we don't need to worry about how much the waste is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the number 29 and 1/4 and divide it by 2 and 1/4. So make sure you use this button ABC, this, and then this button, and then this number, and that's going to give you the answer as 13. That will be your final answer for this one. Now, the next question, that is question number 2. What is the outside dia of the pipe that has a wall thickness of this much and inside diameter of this? So you are given the inside diameter of the pipe, and then you are looking for the uh, the outside diameter, and the wall thickness is also given to you. Wall thickness is 13/32, and this inside dia given to you is that is 22 and 7/8. So you will add the wall thickness twice to get the outside dia, because this is the total outside dia. This is the outside dia. So we are adding the wall thickness twice. So once you're gonna write the numbers, they will be like this: 22 7/8 plus 2 times 13 over 32, and that's gonna give you the answer as C, this one. All right, now the next one: what is the outside diameter of the pipe that has a wall thickness of this and the inside dia of this? What is the outside dia? Literally the same question, I guess. This one. So same process you're gonna repeat, and then the answer will be B in this case. I'm not gonna do this one. I'll leave it for you guys to do this one. Outside diameter of the pipe that has a wall thickness of this much. And yeah, so pretty much the same thing. Now the next question: what is the overall length of a machine part that constitutes of a 4 pieces measuring this? So what you need to do in this one is you just add all these four. So again, very easy question. 15, oh, let me switch on the calculator. 15 absolute 64 plus 5 5 absolute ABC 8 plus 12 ABC 27 ABC 32 plus 43 ABC 9 ABC 16. That's going to give you the answer as 57 617 over 64. The answer will be fourth. All right, let's look into the next one. The outside diameter of the pipe is this much, and the inside diameter measured this much. What is the wall thickness? So if you're given an outside dia and then inside dia is also given to you, and you are looking for the wall thickness, so what you're going to do is you subtract those two and divide the value by 2, because wall thickness is counted as twice when you are measuring the outside dia. So in this question, you will do is 3 over 8 minus, first of all, 5 9 over 16. Let's do that first. So 6 3 8 and minus the number is 5 9 16th. That's gonna give you the number as 13 over 16, and then this number divided by 2, that will give you 13 over 32. So 13 over 32 is your final answer. All right, let's look into the next one. Let me just quickly see if it is recorded or not. Yes, it is getting recorded. The next one, I will leave it for you guys. This is let me do it. Okay, so a 25-inch aluminum bar has this piece cut off it. What is the remaining length if you allow 1/16 of a each from the each cut? So in this question, you're just cutting these pieces, this, and then you are also having this much waste, so remaining length. So 25 minus uh, 3, well, first of all, 2 1 over 16 plus 4 1 over 2 plus 6 1 over 8, and also you will also, once you get this number, then subtract 3 times 1 over 16 also from your question. So when you're solving these questions, you make sure you visualize these questions. That's really important. I'll talk about it in a moment. Let me just quickly do the calculation first. 25 minus 25 minus start the bracket 2 and absolute, well, ABC 2, ABC 1, ABC 16 plus 4, ABC 1, ABC 16 plus 6, ABC 1, ABC 8. That's going to give you the value as 12 3 over 4, and 12 3 over 4 minus 3 1 over 16, because that is the cut. So this number, so 12, you see 3 over 4 minus 3 times 1 16. That's going to give you the answer as 12 9 over 16. Oops, I did not get this number. This number is just not in there. Let me just quickly check my calculation one more time. So maybe if I made some mistake, 25 minus 2 1 over 16, 2 and 1 and 16, and then 4 1 over 2, and then 6 1 8. Okay, that is the number 5. Okay, this is where I got it wrong. It is this number, 12 5 over 16, and this number 12 and 5 over 16 minus 3 times 1 over 16. That's gonna give you 12 1 over 8. Yeah, so answer is 12 1 over 8. That's what I got as the answer. Okay. Now, when you are doing these questions, so make sure you guys always pay attention to what you are doing, what the question is saying. In this one, there is a huge bar, and you are cutting 3 pieces, 1 2 3, and with every piece there is some waste. So this is the waste for this, this is the waste for this, this is the waste for this. So 3 cuts I will use. Okay, sometimes in the previous video I did a question where how many number of pieces you can cut when there is a waste. So if this is one piece and then there is one cut with that, and then there is another piece and there is another cut, another piece, another cut. So in the last piece there won't be any waste. That's what I'm trying to tell you. With the last piece there is no waste. So you always have to look into what the question is saying. Okay, while you are solving the question. Now let's look into the next question. So the next question is this one: a 30-inch bar has this inch and this inch and this inch pieces cut from it. What is the length of the remaining if you allow 1/16 of the waste from the each cut? Again, this will be, so 30 minus, what you're gonna do is you will first of all add these three and add this much waste 3 times. Literally the same question as the previous one. 3 over 16 plus 6 3 over 8 plus 8 1 over 2, and you will add these three numbers, and also you will add to this 3 times, because there are 3 cuts, you will add 3 times 1 over 16th. That's what you're going to add. Okay, and subtract it from the 30 inch. Make sure the dimensions are same. So this is an inch, and these all should be in the inch also while solving the question. One flat bar, one flat washer weighs this much. How much 36 will weigh? So again, this is a ratio kind of a question. So you can do it two ways. I'll do both the ways, whichever way you like. You can do this way, that way. One washer is equal to 3 over 64. That's what's given to me, pounds. So that is equivalency given to me, and I'm looking for 36 washer. If this is a simple question, you can just apply the calculation and get the answer, no problem. But I'm just trying to tell you the rule which you can apply anywhere. So I will write washer upon pounds. So 1 upon 36 equal to, uh, well, on the other side here, what I will write, again, washer on top, because I put the washer on top. So my apologies. This was 1 upon 3 over 64. That's what I should have written, because this is the pound, this is one washer. And then on the other side, 36 over x. And now I'm trying to find the value of x. X goes on the other side. So 36 times 3 over 64. You just multiply these two. That is one way of doing it. 36 times 3 over 64. That is, the answer comes out to be, let's see, 111 over 16. 111 over 16. Yes, that is the uh, answer I got. Now let's look into the next one. Well, before I jump into the next one, I will try to solve this question with the help of uh, other technique also. So let's see that one. So we are looking for 36 washers. Okay, what is the weight? So what is given to me? The weight is given to me. uh, I'll write it again. One washer equal to 33 over 64 lb, and I'm looking for 36 washers. So what I will do here is 36 uh, multiply by, uh, I will, because 36 I'm looking for weight, so I will write down the weight here, 3 over 64 multiplied by the washers. Now I need to decide, I shall multiply by 1 over 36 or 36 over 1. Okay, because I can clearly see that the number should increase. So the 36 over 1 will make more sense rather than multiplying by 1 over 36. So this is the number. Pounds is given to me. I'm looking for the future pounds, the for 36. So what I'm going to do is 3 over 64 multiply by 36 over 1. That will be the other way of doing it. So I will just write 3 over 64 multiply by 36. So again, same answer, 111 over 16. All right, let's look into the next question, which I will try to do it with this shortcut technique. So 120 dowel pins weight this much kg, and how much 3 dowel pins will weigh? So for 3 pins, I'm trying to find it out for. So I'll write 3 multiply by, what shall I multiply? Well, pins are given to me. So first of all, let's look into this. 3, and this is given to me. Weight given to me is in kgs. Now I'll write the whatever is missing, whatever I'm trying to find out. I'm looking for is weight, kgs. So what kgs is given to me? 3, 1 over 2 is given to me. I will multiply it with, I will ask myself, will it decrease for 3 dowel pins or will it increase? it will definitely decrease. So I'll multiply by 3 over 120. So I have to decrease it, so I'll put the 3 on top, smaller number on top. If I have to increase it, I'll ask myself this question, will it increase or decrease? So it will decrease because I'm looking for the 3 dowel pins. So 3 ABC1 ABC2 multiply by 3 divided by 120. That's going to give me 7 over 80. That will be the answer. All right. So hopefully you were able to understand how I solved these questions. Now let's look into this question. The 4 boxes weights this much respectively. What will be the total weight? I think you can do this question easily. I'll leave it for you guys to finish these questions. And one last question. The finished diameter of the shaft is this much after removing 1.5 inch from its diameter. You are only removing 1 and 19 over 64. I'm not sure why I said 1.5. So 119 over 64, that's what you are removing from the diameter. So what is the remaining? So this is removed. Half of this is removed from this side, half of this is removed from this side. So the remaining diameter will be 7 over 32 minus 119 over 64. That's going to give me 259 over 64. So this is the correct answer. So hopefully you were able to understand these questions. Now with regards to this ratio questions, if the second technique kind of creates a confusion for you, you can keep on using the very first technique. I'm not saying that you have to use it. This I just try to do it a little bit of a shortcut method. So if it doesn't make sense, I will explain it to you in the later on classes also. So you just can keep on using the previous technique. So that's about it from my side. And okay, before just I let you guys go, one more thing I want to talk about. Please make sure you carefully study about the bars where you have to drill the holes. So for example, if this is a bar of 5 feet and I wanted to drill the 4 holes into it, 4 holes, and I also must make sure that I leave half a half a feet on this side and half a feet on this side, half a feet on this side. And I wanted to drill 4 holes. What should be the distance between those 4 holes? So first hole, second hole, third hole, fourth hole. And the distance, how many distances are there in this case? 1, 2, 3. So first of all, what I will do is 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, because that's been subtracted from these two sides. Remaining is 4. So 4 divided by 3, because there are total number of spaces is 1, 2, and 3. So 1.33. That's how you're going to do it. On contrary, if it was a bar where you were given, just place the 4 holes at equidistance, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now how many spaces I need to have in this case? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 5 divided by 4. That will give you the answer in that scenario. Make sense? So please make sure you will look at the question carefully before solving it. Okay, that's about it. I'll see you in another video. Till